In this tutorial, you will learn how to mute or unmute notes posted by certain users on Instagram. Notes appear at the top of the screen when you open direct messages, and they are short messages that you see above your conversations. If you want to stop receiving notifications for a user's notes or turn them back on, this guide will show you how to do it. So, let's get started. First, open the Instagram app and log into your account if you haven't already. Then, tap the paper airplane icon in the upper right corner to access the direct messages section. When you're in direct messages, notes will appear at the top of the screen above your conversations. Find the user whose note you want to mute, then tap and hold on that note to open a menu with options. Select the Mute Notes option from the menu, and then in the confirmation window that appears, tap Mute Notes again. Once you've done this, notifications for notes from that user will be disabled, and you won't see them at the top of your DM feed anymore. If you later decide that you want to start receiving notifications for notes from that user again, here's what you need to do. First, go back and then tap your profile icon in the lower right corner. When you're on your profile, tap the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner of the screen to open Settings. In Settings, scroll down, find the option called Muted Accounts, and tap it. On this page, you can see a list of users you have previously muted. To start receiving notifications and see notes from these users again, simply tap the Unmute option next to the user you want, and in the menu that appears, tap the switch next to Mute Notes. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and of course, see you very soon.